Okay. Mister, this is a green zone, not a chilling zone. Put your weapon away. Put your gun down, sir. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, one will be provided. Ten 15, I have suspect in custody. 27, en route to PD. And then I will go to interrogation room or interview room and for pass. Okay, sir, can I have your ID? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, suspect has zero violation, ID warrant check, and then your violation, sir, will be 1.7 for entering on territory protected by law and 3.2 for disobeying the officer. So 1.7 and 3.2 and then I'm gonna look for a male officer to search on you. Can I have a male officer at floor 0 to search on my suspect? Let's keep that since there's no male officer. But if we are searching, we emote calm down emote and drop this macros. Floor 0 near at the exit. Can I'm here.
Yeah, that's how. Yeah, yeah, that's how. Yeah, you see, listen, that's the only person that called my name like that.
Fine, whatever. Thank you. Okay. Um, we found something on you, and my coworkers confiscate it. I'm gonna take your mugshot and give you a jumpsuit, Mister. I'm gonna go to floor and jail room, and then go for it.